of this stupid game, bro. Fuck this game. I'm actually done with this shitty ass game, bro.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nike, wacky till day, Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Cause I'm your butt as I lick my.
Oh! No! No! Oh my god! Why? Why? Oh my god, no! Fuck this game! Oh my god! Why? I'm so done. I'm actually fucking done with this game.